guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to unbox Fortnite Battle Royale. So after we unbox this, I'm going to play gameplay of this game. So let's see how it goes. And yup. So as you guys can see on the front of this box, you guys can see PS4 branding, Fortnite, Deep Freeze bundle, Epic Games, WB Games, and the image of this bundle. So the main thing and the most important thing is that no, you do not get any CD inside this box. Yes, this is true, as also on the box it is clearly written PSN code voucher, so no CD included. So the thing is that even if you bought this, you do not get this in a CD form. You still have to install it from the store. Like if on the PS4 you have to install it from the PlayStation store. So what we get inside this box? So first of all, and the far most important, is 1000 V-Bucks. 1000 V-Bucks. And we get 2 legendary items, 1 common and 1 rare. So the 2 legendary items are this Deep Freeze skin and this backpack. And this glider is actually a common glider, like the green one, and this X is the rare, rare X, the blue one. So on the back of the box there's also important information written, as you guys can see, that if you purchase this particular CD and you already have anything from this bundle, if you even have this skin or a backpack or an X already, you will be refunded for that item. Like if you already have something and you put this code in the PS4, so the item which you already have, you will get refund, and you will not get in the form of cash, you will get in the form of V-Bucks. So for example, you already have this skin, but you don't have the backpack X or the glider. So when you will when you will activate this code of this bundle, you will be getting 1000 V-Bucks for the skin. So that is so cool. So yep, let's unbox. So let's just open this. As you guys can see, you don't get a DVD. So the only thing you get is these 2 pieces of paper for, I guess, $30 or $35, something like that. I just forgot the price. I will mention it somewhere right over here or in the description. So the first thing is this Battle Pass card, as Fortnite Battle Pass, play Battle Royale, level up, unlock epic loot. So, and on the back side, do not take shelter, make it. Yep, you get one of these. Okay, so the main thing right over here, the PS4 Deep Freeze bundle card. So the thing is that you get this card and you get the number code right over here. I cannot show you guys the code, but it is present right over here. So yep. And yep, this was the unboxing, and let's get to the game itself. And I'm also going to show you guys how to activate this code. So yep, this was the unboxing, and now let's get to the game itself. And the thing is that I in the as in the bundle we get 1000 V-bucks, so I just purchased this dance move, so that's why I just have 450 V-bucks left. And yep, let's just focus on the gameplay.